Hey yo, what's up? It's Precious, aka Peachy Presh, and I am so excited to come to you all today with this video. It is all about my collaboration with Curldaze. If you cannot tell by the thumbnail, their team reached out to me to be one of their brand ambassadors. And I excitedly and humbly accepted because, I mean, Curldaze is such an amazing brand. It was my first time actually reviewing their product and trying out their product, but I am, obviously more than happy to accept. I am going to be talking all about all their products today. I was gifted some products from them, from their both bundles. Well, there's two bundles, if you couldn't tell by the thumbnail. The first bundle I'll be talking about, which I'll share with you guys in just a minute. These are their stylers, their gels, their masks, not mask, the stylers, the gel. I'll show you everything, basically. I'll show you everything in just a minute. And then the second bundle, which I received not too long ago, is their wash day bundle. And that includes all the goodies, the conditioner, the shampoo, the deep conditioner, the leave-in, and a couple extra little goodies to include in there as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm not trying to be mumbling and jumbling with y'all all day long, so let's get into it. Okay, so the first package from my lovely Curldaze, and I love their packaging. It's simple, classic, good pop of color. Gives you this little, what do you call this? Little mesmerizing thing. I don't know. I can't think right now. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have inside. Ooh, it's a girl. No, kidding. Here we are. Here's the first package, and I actually already opened this. Sorry. I have a whole unboxing. Well, not really an unboxing, but basically I show everything on my TikTok. If you're not following me on TikTok, make sure you follow your girl at Peachy Presh. I'll make sure to put it on the screen. And then also follow me at peachy.presh on my Instagram as well. I already showed the product. I already kind of did this whole spiel. Not really talking to you guys, but basically showing you all the product and everything, and how excited I am to be a part of the team. So I'm just gonna take all this junk, all this out, and I already cleaned this twice, but all right. So in this package includes, first off, we have, boom, we have the Curldaze Creamy Curl Styler with kukui oil. I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is for twist outs, braid outs, and wash and goes. Next, we have the Ultra Moisture Cream, and I've used this product already. I've already reviewed it. I've already, tested it out. So like I said, check out my other socials to see how I am styling with these products. This is good for wash and goes, curl styles, and protective styles. Next, we have the Curldaze Glossy Shine Gel, and this is really good. And let me just tell you, all the products, they smell pretty much the same or similar. It has this very fragrant, you're kind of smelling perfume, but it's not too overwhelming, but it just smells really good. That's all I could say. Let me open this one up and look at that. Wait, hold on, let me show y'all. Look at that, look at the color. It's beautiful. I just love the way it smells. It's a very unique, fruity, fragrant smell that I really do enjoy, just to say. It also came with a edge brush and the little comb, and then I'm not entirely sure what this part is for, this little pointy part, but yeah, it's still in the packaging because I haven't quite gotten a chance to use it yet. And then finally, Oh, there's two more things in here. We have the Gentle Glide Detangling Brush. Easily gets through any curly tangles. So there's that for you. And then we had one more thing. Oh, here it is. Now, every curly girl needs one of these. And if you can't guess what it is, then you're probably not a curly girl. It's a bonnet. It's a bonnet. So I, be wearing my bonnet. Make sure you protect your, protect the curls. Make sure you get, split ends, all that good stuff. But that's everything that we got in our bundle here. And I was gonna go over pricing and all that stuff, but stay tuned. Just stay tuned, okay? Because next up is the wash day bundle. And I'll tell you a little bit about my code that I have as well. I'm actually, you know what? I'm just gonna put it up on the screen right here because you need these products. You need them for sure. Okay, so I know we're all excited about all the Curldaze products. I just showed you, the stylers, the cream, the gel, all that's great and dandy, but every foundation needs a great wash day. So without further ado, we have our lovely box number 2 Curldaze Wash Day Bundle. Oh, I'm just so excited. I love receiving packages. I love natural hair. I love just the thrill of it all. Anyways, here we go. And it's a boy. Ooh, ooh. All right, look at that. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the team, yo. That says ambassador, and on the other side it says, hi precious, we hope that you, well, I'm reading this backwards, I can't see. We hope you enjoy your wash day kit. XOXO Curldaze. All right, awesome. We love to see that. All right, and we have our lovely wash day bundle. Okay, let me take out all of the packaging. We got to keep this together because we got to get some shots of this beautiful box. All right, so here is our box. Let me see if I can get a... All right, so we have our box right here, and I'm just gonna go over each one of these. I have some notes because I wanted to make sure that my curly girls, that you get these products and why you're buying these products as well. I know sometimes as natural, we tend to just splurge on natural hair products just because sometimes it's just out of force of habit, but you should be, obviously buying products that are good for your hair. And Curldaze is obviously gonna be one of them. All right, so we have, first we have the Silky Hydration Creamy Shampoo. I'm just going over everything and then I'll come back. We have the Silky Foundation Creamy Shampoo. We have the Silky Foundation Detangling Conditioner. We have the Silky Hydration Leave-In Conditioner, Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. We have the Silky Hydration Intense Deep Hydrating Conditioning Mask. And finally, we have, oh, I think this is one of those little microfiber towels. All right, let's open her up. Ooh, it's nice and soft. Yeah, it's one of the microfiber towels. These are good for your hair. You're not supposed to use an actual towel to dry your hair because using a towel basically can cause breakage and damage and stuff like that. So you want to use something more gentle in your hair. So this is, I actually have some of these that I use very often. So yes, the microfiber towel is the key for the curly girls. Okay, y'all, so the wash day bundle retails for about $58.99, but you can obviously go to their website and pick and choose which products that you want to pick up, whether it's the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, or the detangling leave-in conditioner, or the deep conditioner hair mask. Each of these products are filled with lots and lots of beautiful ingredients such as omega-3s, vitamins A, C, and E. It also comes with agave, which is good for moisture. This is good for helping to strengthen your hair, making sure that your hair strands stay nice and healthy and don't break off. That is all what we want, to retain nice, long, beautiful hair. Now, I didn't just get hair, my hair didn't just grow long overnight. It all has to do with using amazing products, eating healthy, drinking your water, all of that. But it really does help when you have products that are, penetrating the hair shaft, like helping basically keep everything intact. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this unboxing with me and are really excited for my journey with Curldaze and just my journey overall with my natural hair. Don't forget to use my code Peachy15 for 15% off your purchase of any purchase that you make. Make sure you tell your friends, your family, your cousins, your dog, your sister, your brother, anybody out there who got curly hair, anybody who out there who love really amazing products that are going to really strengthen your hair and make sure that your hair is nice and shiny and beautiful and just flowing all summer long. Like, we are almost in the summer months and you want amazing, beautiful, glorious, luscious locks, don't you? So pick up some Curldaze products. Make sure you use my code Peachy15 for 15% off. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok as well. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. That's gonna be it. I will be reviewing these products regarding the wash day bundle on my channel a little bit later, either this week or next week. So make sure you stay tuned to find out how exactly these products are working on my hair, obviously in particular, and if they're gonna work out for you. Yeah, I've done some styles already with the other products, so make sure you check out, like I said, my other socials to get an idea of what the products are capable of. And yeah, that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. I think I blabbed enough, but I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.